in the past video, when I was discussing this Write in Apex program to calculate the total marks of three subjects. So instead of if you observe on the eighth line, I was printing maths instead of physics. Okay, so since I have assigned some value to the physics and I was trying to get the result what exactly it was printing on the debug log file. Okay, so that's where I was debugging the physics value and verifying the same assigned value is appearing on the debug log file or not. So this is the right one, and whatever the things commented, which it was ideally I was printing like a max. This we can take this as an example that whatever the what should I say, this inventory commas or this symbol in between this symbol, so it is like a message, but what we were printing is exactly after plus. Okay, so since I was given here the max after plus, what ideally should print the max value, it will print. My my assumption is to my estimation is to get the value of the physics, but unintentionally or by mistake, what I have done, I just printed the value of the max, and in the message I have provided like as a physics. So what it happens in the eighth line now, since I was printing the max value, so what it will provide, so it will provide like this physics and some gap, and whatever the value I have assigned to the max is 80 and I'm printing here is max, so it will give us 80, so which is a wrong one. Which is a wrong. So what ideally I was expecting to print the value of the physics, so this is the right one. And now what is the debug log will print? So it will print physics, and what is the value I have assigned to this variable physics, that is 60. This is to verify, to test our results on the debug log whether it was providing the correct or not. The same way here also, chemistry and with 80, which is a wrong one. Okay, since I'm printing the value as a max here after plus, so in the message I have given chemistry, so it will provide like this, which is a wrong one, which is a wrong. So whatever we were expecting to print, that we need to carefully write the debug and print that particular value, that particular variable, and verify the assigned value is printing or not in the debug log file. So that is what the very meaningful or importance of the debugs here in Apex. That is where we were using this system.debug, and in the sorry, in that symbol whatever we were giving, that is a message, after plus whatever we were giving is a variable. So whatever the value we have assigned to that variable will be printed on the debug log file. Okay, so here now the output will be chemistry and then 50. Okay, just this I have realized, and just want to provide this to all of you, so that it makes sense and meaningful, and next time we will not repeat the same kind of mistakes. And while we were writing the system.debug, it's our response, it's our intention, whatever we were expecting the result, that particular variable and the meaningful message should be written, so that we can understand, or so that the debug log files whatever it is providing can be understandable. That's all, friends. Thank you.